If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard with modular components, you've come to the right place, as I will introduce you folks to the Mountain Everest Max, which also sports hot swappable CHERRY MX switches, a customizable display and many other special features, so stay tuned. The Everest Max is the flagship mechanical keyboard from the German manufacturer Mountain and wants to conquer the market with a really innovative concept. The 80% keyboard can be expanded with several modular components, which I will show you in a bit. To top this level of customizability, the Everest Max features a hot swap enabled PCB, which allows you to easily change to other MX switches with different characteristics. Now let's start with the key features, with the keyboard itself and the modular extensions. The heart of the Everest Max is the 80% keyboard, which boasts a top plate made of high quality aluminum and slightly protruding keys. This highlights the RGB lighting of the built-in switches really well. The package also contains a magnetic palm rest with an imitation leather cover. The magnetic feet offers a special feature as well. They consist out of several modular spacers which can be stacked individually to let you meet your very own perfect angle. Next up, we're looking at the first modular extension, the Numpad. It can be attached to the left or right side and even with some distance away from the keyboard thanks to the USB-C extension cable. But what really catches our eyes are the 4 additional display keys on the upper edge. These can be bound with individual macros and function. You can also assign 3D selectable icons to the small 72 by 72 pixel TFT screens via software. Especially for streamers, this might be an interesting alternative to a dedicated Stream Deck, as one can program a total of 20 possible assignments through 5 different profiles. The Media Dock is the next modular extension, which can be attached to the keyboard either to the upper left or to the right side via USB-C. With this, you not only unlock access to the common media functions, but also to a dedicated control wheel with an integrated 240 by 240 pixel TFT screen. This style offers a number of functions and allows, for example, switching between RGB effects or macro profiles, as well as displaying information about the computer's operation. The customizability of the Everest Max is rounded off by the hot swap enabled PCB. Both keycaps and switches can be quickly and easily replaced with the help of an included tool. You also get additional MX switches with different characteristics to test the various characteristics for yourself. This is a great way to experience the feel of our various MX switches. The Mountain Everest Max can be connected to the PC with a detachable USB-C cable, which boasts a braided fabric sleeve and a length of 2 meters. Mountain also thought of a USB 3.2 Gen 1 pass-through port at the back of the keyboard to provide you additional flexibility when connecting other peripherals. But Mountain also has a really great sense for details. They integrated a sound-absorbing foam mat underneath the PCB, and the stabilizers have been lubricated with additional grease to improve actuation. Now let's have a closer look at the keys. The Mountain Everest Max is available with a wide range of CHERRY MX switches. Especially lovers of linear switching characteristics can choose between many options such as MX Red, Silent Red and Speed Silver. For frequent typists, the tactile MX Brown and Blue with the typical click are 2 popular options. This model here comes with a linear MX Red, which actuates after a short pre-travel of 2 mm with a low operating force of 45 cm. This combination allows for quick reactions in fast games whenever you need them. Overall, the switching characteristics of the MX Red switches enable swift key presses, which make them the most popular MX switches among gamers. Underneath every double-shot ABS keycap, we find an individually controllable RGB illumination with up to 16.8 million colors. In the corresponding Basecamp software or directly via the Media Dock's rotary wheel, as already stated before, you can choose between a number of lighting effects such as wave, tornado and many others. The software tool also allows you to set up different profiles and define macro configurations. Last but not least, the icons as well as the functions of the display keys and the screensaver for the wheel can be freely set. Up to 5 different profiles can be stored in the onboard memory. So we have reached the end of this introduction video, and that's why it's time for a conclusion. As you can see, Newcomer Mountain sets its ambitions high with the Everest Max and actually manages to compete with other high-end keyboards with its very first model. With a modular approach, Mountain goes one step further and offers a unique solution to both left-handed users and users with multiple application purposes. Overall, the keyboard knows how to convince with its well-thought-out customization options and innovative features. But at the same time, the manufacturer charges quite a bit for its product quality with an MSRP of €249.99. So, while the purchase decision depends significantly on the individual budget, the breath of fresh air that Mountain brings to the keyboard market with this excellent debut will be an advantage for all keyboard lovers. If you guys want to get more information about the Mountain Everest Max, be sure to check out the video description below, as there you can find a link to our CHERRY MX blog post where we introduce the keyboard in detail. Now, thank you very much for watching, and feel free to post any questions or feedback in the comment section below. I hope to see y'all in the next video. Until then, take care everyone.